Toyota spark plug wire separator. This wire separator is good for many Toyotas from 1982 until 2006. Hi, I'm Peter and I work with 3D printing and 3D designing. In this video I will show you this spark plug wire separator I designed for one of the cars in the family. I had to design it because this is not available anymore. One day my sister-in-law's Toyota Carina stopped taking first and reverse gears. The original wire separator broke and fell around the throttle cable. So the engine couldn't rev back to idle and the gearbox couldn't take the unsynchronized gears, which are the first and the reverse gear. The car needed to be back on road as soon as possible, so I grabbed my main weapon, my caliper. And it's done. The car has the famous 1.6 16-valve engine, the 4AFE engine. But you can find the same wire separator in many cars on many engines, like 4AF, 4AFE, 4AFHE, 5AF, 5AFE, 5AFHE, 6AFC, 6AFE, 8AFE. I probably left something out. Check if there is the metal part where you push this thing on in your engine bay, and if you have 4 wires, you're good. The application is pretty simple, you just push it on the metal thing in the engine bay. I designed a 3mm hole on it, so if you are scared of losing it, you can put a 4mm long screw in it, which secures it even more. But it's pretty secure without the screw already. If you have a Toyota, Carina, Corolla, Celica, Corona, Avensis, Ceres, Spacio, Sprinter, etc., there is a possibility that it has an engine listed before. Pop the hood and check the spark plug wires. Too much freedom can be dangerous. The link for the product is in the description. I ship it worldwide. I might share the design later when I sold enough to build a castle. In that case, if you will print it, use at least ABS or ASA plastic because of the heat in the engine bay. Also watch the number of the perimeters because it has to be strong. I get my prints strong with perimeters, not with infill. You should do the same. Print it how it's positioned in the design. Use support interface inside on the top, but not on the bottom. Use at least 0.15mm Z contact distance, so you can remove the support easily, and use at least 1mm XY separation with the support, so it doesn't attach to the sides. I also recommend using an enclosure because of the warping issues. Thanks for watching this video. Check the links in the description for the product, the 3D model and other stuff like this hoodie or my cap. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye!